Like if you want it, it's totally fair.
It's
I
not,
just say to me it's not necessary.
it doesn't mean that it's not necessary for you, that he doesn't have a choice to do it.
Yeah, exactly. No, I'm not like to ease what I say. I always don't precise that everyone can do what they want.
Well, in my opinion,
independently from
if
what I
you
said.
not gonna put any effort, you're not gonna find anyone. If you want a good person, you have to look for it. You have to put some efforts. If you want a nice person with you.
Then I'm really lucky.
Yeah, you know that sometimes you can attract the
If I meet
people
some
who...
guy and in first look I talk to him and he's nice, okay, I like it, his personality is good. But if in my opinion, if I'm not gonna take first step to him, I don't think it can be. He will come to me and propose me. It will not happen.
Especially for guys, because like I can understand girls, like if they don't want to put themselves out there, like for girls, but like for guys, like really, like I don't know, like in most scenarios, in most places, guys are expected to make the first move.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's general concept. Most people usually think.
So do you want Opa Lucas to stay single forever?
Yeah.
Then I think if a woman is only expect from a guy to take first step, then you're not gonna find a man you want.
Yeah, that's true too. So you have to put yourself out there.
If
It's all right
if
to,
I meet
use
someone,
dating sites.
he's really like my type. So I will not wait for him to come and talk to me. I will talk to him.
Yeah. It doesn't have to be in your face,
Because
your mind.
he's totally matched to me. He's a very nice guy. So maybe he like a girl who is more nicer than me. There is always be a people who is more nice and beautiful than us. So
Yeah, everyone's replaceable. So you have to be, you have to stand out a little bit.
yeah. Sometimes
Even at work, you do that.
just one step change your life.
Yeah, and you will have no regrets if you put yourself out there.
Yeah.
You will have no regrets. That's the most important thing.
What about this one?
Right.
What emotion makes you fall for someone the fastest?
When they don't like me.
Huh?
When they don't like me.
What? Oh. You can find someone who likes you.
Yeah, I know, right? Like, it's just so attractive. I don't know, it's challenging.
You know that if I just argue with someone and he can beat me, I think I will fall in love with the guy like this. Yeah, like this kind of guy. Yeah, I just like the guy who is maybe more clever than me, and yeah.
Yeah, I know, right? Because, like, sometimes you want someone, like, a little bit more superior than you. Because obviously, like, I don't know for others, but, like, you always want someone better than you a little bit.
Yeah, but actually you are not sure whether it's love or just a kind of appreciation, you know that?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so, yeah. Okay.